upon a time, oh, once upon a time.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, who in this land is the fairest of all?
You, my queen, are the fairest of all.
Once upon a time, oh, once upon a time.
Someday I'll be a good queen, just like my mother. I miss her so much.
Snow White!
Your Majesty,
How many times have I told you not to take a single reflection from my mirror?
I am very sorry, my dear queen. I just can't help not to look at myself in this beautiful mirror.
Enough! Immediately leave the place!
Yes, I will.
I see something different in Snow White. There's something in her that makes me uneasy. No! Wait! Yes! Yes! I need to ask my magic mirror. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who in this land is the fairest of all?
You, my queen, are the fair, but Snow White is the fairest of all.
Snow White? It could not be, it is not true!
Once upon a time,
Huntsman!
once upon a time.
Yes, my queen. Take Snow White out into the woods. I never want to see her again. Kill her!
Come with me, you go with me. The queen hates you because you're more beautiful than she. I'll throw you to the woods so far away. I'll seize your breath, I'll not give in to your plea. I have to accomplish the desire of the queen. It is to end your life.
No, please, let me live. I will run into the wild woods and never come back.
My princess, it is against my will to harm you. Run away, you poor child.
Thank you so much, dear.
Beware, beware, there's a girl in the woods, living high to the fairies around her. No one's with her.
Help me, please! Please help me! What is your name? I am Snow White.
Once upon a time, oh, once upon a time.
Mirror, mirror on the wall, who in this land is fairest of all?
You, my queen, are fair. It is true, but little Snow White beyond the 7 mountains, it's 1,000 times fairer than you.
No! There's something wrong here, my magic mirror. The huntsman just brought me her. Unless the huntsman didn't do what I asked him to do. The huntsman deceived me. He disrespected me. His dishonesty will cost him his life.
Hi-ho, to the magic of the land of stones and dance. Hi-ho, a musical and magical place to play.
Stay laces, please buy from me. Blue, red, and yellow, beautiful colors to see. These will make wonders to young ladies around. Come out, I'm waiting and standing on the round. Open up, I'm the old pander woman with good wares for sale.
What do you have?
Stay laces, dear child. It is braided, yellow, red, and blue silk. Would you like to have this one?
Oh, yes! Though the dwarfs told me not to let anyone in. I can let the old woman come in. She means well. You may come in.
Oh, you are not laced up properly, dear. Come here, I'll do it better.
I can't breathe.
And that's what I want.
What has happened?
Someone harmed you so badly. The 7 dwarfs saved Snow White. This is so unfortunate. I need to have the most pitiful disguise. Disguise. I need to have another pitiful disguise. An old peasant woman would be perfect and nice from dusk until dawn. A poisonous comb will arrest Snow White's heart to death.
Good morning, little angel.
Oh, hello, old lady. What can I do for you in this so early moment of the day?
I traveled long and far. I'm fortunate. I passed by at your beautiful little cottage. Please give me a glass of water. I am so thirsty.
Oh, of course, my pleasure. Please kindly wait for me here. I'll get a glass of water for you.
Thank you, my dear, for being so generous.
You're welcome, dear old woman.
As a sign of my profound gratitude, I give you my beautiful comb as a gift for your goodness.
This is such a beautiful piece. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Come, let me comb your hair.
Ouch.
That will keep you lying there. The 7 dwarfs will not save you this time. This time, I am definite of myself that I am the fairest of all. I left Snow White dead in the 7 dwarfs' place, but still, I want a treat that comes from my mother. Never, never, on the wall. Who in this land is the fairest of all?
You, my queen, are fair, it is true. But in the forest, you left Snow White dead. The 7 dwarfs saved her by pulling out the comb in her head.
Disguise! I need a disguise! Tomorrow, in the forest, in my yarns, Snow White will sadly face her end. Hail the potion of darkness. Change everything to satisfy envy. Transform me into a guise of savagery. Reveal the wicked disguise of all!
Snow White will die if it cost me my life. Poisonous apple I made in my secret room. My last chance to fulfill my desire for so long. Doing everything to be the fairest that no one will exceed. Snow White, here I come.
Waiting for me to be with him. Where is my prince? I pray to cross our paths someday. I feel that the time to meet him is near. Happiness within me is priceless as ever. Where is my prince? Where is my prince? A question I dare to ask with no fear.
Good day, my lady.
Who is there?
I am your dear old woman. Please let me in.
I'm not allowed to let anyone in. The dwarves have forbidden it most severely.
Oh, please, child. I am tired and very dizzy. Just let me rest for a while and have some water. I am very thirsty.
I could be so bad if I'll not give water to nourish the tired and helpless old lady. All right, you can come in, but you can leave the cottage right away after you take the water. Is it fine with you?
Oh, yes, I will, my child.
Please come in.
Hello.
Hello, too. Please kindly wait for me here. I'll go get a glass of water for you.
Yes.
Here's your water, madam.
Thank you, child. Oh, because of your goodness, I'll give you one of the sweet apples. I have sign of my gratitude.
Oh no, I can't accept anything. The dwarfs don't want me to.
Why? Snow White, my dear, take this apple. Take this little apple. This sweet red apple. Taste it, bite it, and eat it. your goodness. Please accept and eat a fruit of wisdom and strength, a sweet fruit of life, a red fruit of love. Please, Snow White, take this sweet little red apple.
Oh yes, I'll take it and eat it, old woman. Thank you, but
White as snow, red as blood, black as ebony wood. The 7 dwarfs will not wake you up again. White rest forever, rest eternally and ever. Soar free to the skies, watch us
Someone's coming.
Good day, my little friends. I am Prince Arnold, who is laid in that glass coffin. She is beautiful. Let me have it as a gift, for I cannot live without looking at the princess. My love belongs to a princess. She is the beauty I adore. My life belongs to a princess. She is my strength I breathe. My soul belongs to a princess. She is my light, I always pray. My life is my princess. She is my strength I breathe. Princess Snow White, I love you. My people, bring Snow White to my castle. Carry her carefully and slowly.
what has happened? Snow White? Snow White! You're alive! Good heavens, where am I?
You are with me. I love you more than anything else in the world. Come with me to my father's castle. You shall become my wife. You are the princess I love.
My heart belongs to you.
My heart belongs to you.
You are my love.
You are my love. Our heart will be a star. We have each other's arms.
prodigious does. To everyone, envy is the most ungracious feeling a person has.
Be contented what you have.
Glorious to what God has bestowed upon you.
Being grateful satisfies one's godly needs.
And everyone in the kingdom live happily ever